SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to sort iMessage apps on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you open up the Messages app on your iPhone and then you open a conversation, you're going to see that there's a little plus button to the left of the message field. If you tap that, it brings up a list of options where you can add different types of content to your messages. But if you find that some of the stuff that you want to use is located in this More section, and you would like to move it into the top, then you have the ability to sort these message options. Simply tap and hold on one of the options that you want to move, and then you can just drag it up, and then you can sort it into a different spot on the top level menu, or you can move ones that you're not using down to the bottom level. And you can just basically do this until you have all of the iMessage apps that you use the most in this top section so that they're a little more accessible.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.